Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down and choose fingerprint and passcode. Then tap on passcode over here and select one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Tap on the best one for you and enter it. When you're ready, you need to repeat it. And now click home button. As you can see, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!